Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions set 25. Number 1. Heat pump at low ambient has faulty valves. What's the cause? Answer: faulty crankcase heater. Number 2. Hot gas CRO close on rise of outlet pressure with external equalizer is installed in. Answer: bypass condenser and metering device. Number 3. A heater is. Answer: resistive load. Number 4. A motor is. Answer: inductive load. Number 5. How can VFD control variable frequency device? VFD control capacity of reciprocating compressor. Answer: by varying the crankshaft speed. Number 6. If spring pressure is increased, what happens? Superheat increase. Number 7. Suction temperature and pressure decrease means evaporator capacity increases. Number 8. Suction temperature and pressure increase means condenser capacity increase. Velocity pressure equals. Answer: velocity and weight of air. Number 2. Oil fill control measures what? Answer: oil pump net pressure. Net. If cover of oil fill is off, what happens? Answer: it may not protect adequately. Number 4. If safety switch is open, what happens? Answer: circuit won't read across open contacts, read across contacts, not to ground. How to check oil failure control? Answer: jump 1 and 2, centronic unplug sensor. Number 6. How to check glycol concentration? Answer: hydrometer measures specific gravity, or a refractometer can measure as well. Number 7. How to stop vibration from compressor? Answer: vibration eliminator installed parallel to crankshaft, support and away from compressor. Share knowledge and help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said it is more blessed to give than to receive. It's Acts 20:35, King James Bible. Here's a link to my blog where you can see my previous sets that I have made. Okay, cheers and have a good one. Happy reviewing and hope you pass your exam. Cheers.